Oh my god. There is a dead body in my room. But guess what? I am not going to solve this case. This case can only be solved by Agent Sai Srinivasa Atreya. Namaskaram Andi. This video is purely out of love for good cinema and my dear friend Naveen Polishetty. I now know Naveen for over a year. He is doing an important role in my upcoming movie called Chichore. He plays a character called Acid. If I start praising him, I may sound very biased, so I would not praise him. I would rather tell you what Naveen and I have in common. Both of us are engineers और हम दोनों ने अपने फादर से बहुत गाली खाई है. He got galis for wanting to come in front of camera and I got galis for wanting to go behind the camera. I fell in love with Telugu movies and Telugu music during my hostel days. My roommate was from Andhra, so he introduced me to Telugu songs and Telugu movies. And I really feel it's an honor for me to be presenting a Telugu movie, Agent Sai Srinivasa Atreya. When I saw the trailer of the movie, the first viewing I was mostly watching the subtitles and trying to understand what is being said. But somewhere, I found the visuals so intriguing that I watched it again and I was focusing mostly on the visual delight of it. It surely seems like a fun ride with ample dose of fun and intrigue thrown in.
ఎవర్రా మీరు సిఎంఆర్ షాపింగ్ మాల్ ఓపెనింగ్ వచ్చినట్టు రిబ్బన్ కట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయామంట లోపలికి.
FBI
అది అమెరికాలో కదా ఉండేది.
వాళ్ళు మా జ్యూస్ పెట్టారు సార్.
So here is wishing all the very best to my friend Naveen Polishetty and the entire team of Agent Sai Srinivasa Atreya. Chimpe Andi. He's still dead.
నేను పెద్ద షెర్లాక్ హోమ్స్ ఏం కాదు, ఇవన్నీ ఆపేయి.
షెర్లాక్ హోమ్స్ ఫిక్షనల్ క్యారెక్టర్ రా. ఈ ఏజెంట్ సాయి శ్రీనివాస్ ఆత్రేయ ఒరిజినల్.